Hi guys, Love here and welcome back to techbeatph.com. With a lot of companies releasing flagship phones, we're here to introduce to you Vivo's latest flagship phone, the V15 Pro. So we will be doing an unboxing and a first look at the phone. So do stick around the video and see what we think of it and what's inside.
We would like to thank our friends from Vivo for lending us this V15 Pro unit. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Opening the box, we can see it comes with a premium phone case. The SIM card tray key also comes with the phone case. The transparent case that comes with the phone has a very nice premium feel to it. There's a transparent back with grippy sides. It also includes the notch for the special pop-up camera that the phone features. Now let's take a look at the phone. The phone has a very nice premium feel to it. It's really nice to hold. It's not too big and it has this beautiful paint job we can see here at the back. It comes with all the bells and whistles that we are accustomed to any Vivo flagship phone. Let's put the phone down for now and see what else is in the box. As you can see here, it comes with a very nice power delivery adapter which charges the phone really fast. A very premium power cable and a premium set of earphones. Now let's power off the phone. The phone is very fast, very nice and responsive as you can see here. The phone's rear-facing camera has a very nice look. We will be diving more into this when we do the real-world review. When we switch to selfie mode, you can see here the camera pops up really fast. The phone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory storage. The phone case fits really nice and snug. It's really to install on the phone. We will be doing a real-world review, putting the phone through its paces really soon.
So there you have it guys, our unboxing and first look at the Vivo V15 flagship phone. So this phone is going to be launched on March 20, 2019 here in the Philippines. So do stick around to our next video which is the complete coverage of the media launch.